Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. So this is my final project of basic reading, and the project is analyzing scientific journal. My name is Ikarul Ihsan with name 2401807 and the lecturer is Miss Hermi Zaswita. So I'm gonna explain a little about my project, and here is the rest of the explaining. So here is my little explanation about this project. First, let's go to context clues. Context clues are hints that the author or the writer give to help define a difficult or unusual word. The clue may appear within the same sentence as the word to which it refers, or it may follow in a preceding sentence. So, for example of context clues, here is independent. Independent means is not reliant on other. And there also another example of context clues. Here is humiliation. Humiliation means is the act of being broke low in respect or dignity. Okay, come to the next part is word part. Word part are one of the way to determine its meaning and break the word down to smallest part. And also here the example again with independent. Independent we can break it down to in plus dependent. And also back with humiliation again, we can break it down to hum and liation. Okay, so next part is sentence. Sentence. Okay, so I'm gonna uh, explain about sentence a little. So here is the example of the sentence. After all this time, Indonesia has been independent. This nation is still grappling with what is called character education. And here is one, two thing, subject and verb. These two called key idea. Key idea are the most important concept or central point on the paragraph. So the subject here is Indonesia and the verb is independent. Here also another example of this. But why has the character of the Indonesian nation not shown in a good direction but instead showed the opposite? English and Kaufman 2011. So the subject here is character of the Indonesian nation and the verb is not shown in a good direction. Again with another example is the character of the Indonesian nation, which was previously full of noble human qualities, has actually degraded and fall into the abyss of humiliation. So the subject is character of the Indonesian nation and the verb is degrade and fallen into the abyss of humiliation. Okay, one last example for this. Many Indonesian citizen behavior deviate from religious, moral, social, and legal norm. The subject is Indonesian citizen and the verb is deviate from religious, moral, social, and legal norm. Okay, we gonna skip this and come to the next part is explain the paragraph. So there is four things for the paragraph. The first thing is topic. Topic is general theme that talk on the paragraph. So the general theme on this paragraph is character education, which is you can get it from after reading this paragraph. Okay, for the next one is supporting detail. Supporting detail in fact is fact, example, or other evidence that help explain or prove the main idea of the paragraph. So the supporting detail here is sentence 3 to sentence 5. Here it is. The character of Indonesian nation, which was previously full of noble human qualities, blah blah blah, and until the end. Here is the supporting detail. And the next thing is transition. Transition are word or phrase that help connect ideas, sentence, and paragraph in writing. For example, here is but which we can see here, and regardless of which we can also see on this paragraph. And the last one is reference word. Reference word is a type of rhetorical device that allow a writer to read cohesion throughout a text by reintroducing, manipulating, or anticipating information continually and in interesting way. So for the example of reference word is this nation on this sentence one. This nation is referred to Indonesian, and there also another example of this reference word with, and here it is, everyone on sentence on sentence 5. Everyone on this sentence refer to Indonesian citizen, and here is mentioned. Okay, that's all, a little explanation about my project, and thanks for watching everyone, and sorry for the lack of editing because me myself can editing that much, so I'm really sorry about that. Okay, that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.